Hey guys, I'll be doing an unboxing today or breaking one of these boxes of the AEW training cards from Upper Deck. I was able to find these in the beginning of the month at Target, and there were 4 on the shelves, and I grabbed 2 of them. I was thinking about just holding on to these and just holding on and just, probably reselling them, but I'm not really much a reseller. I'm more of a collector. I don't really get rid of anything that I have. I just keep it. I have not sold anything that I have or bought. So I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to do with these. I'll be opening one box. And for retail, I got these at Target. They're for $19.99. And, $21.64 with taxes. So I bought these both separately because I decided to go back and buy another box. So today I'm going to be unboxing this one. And a lot of people have been seeing, getting a lot of good stuff off of these. And they said supposedly that they were getting more out of this box than the other one. I forgot what it's called. But, here you go. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's a 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this deck, it's 8 cards in a deck in 8. So let's see what we get. Hopefully we hit something good. And let me do it here because I don't have any to keep them in for now. All right, so here we go. See a couple of good ones. Oh, this is hard, but I should just break it off the other way. There you go. Okay, so in this first one is a magazine of Matt Jackson, basic Taekwondo. Oh shit, we got a hit. We got a Santana 40 out of 100. Right there. Focus into it. So we have one. Pretty cool. Frankie Kazarian, Jungle Boy, Jim Ross, and Abaddon. Okay. Let's see. And it sucks right now that I do not have any type of protectors right now. Like I said, I just bought these. Okay. We got a Brody Lee, Brian Cage. Oh, this one might get signed. I'll be seeing him in March. Jurassic Express, gold. Big Swole. Oh, Matt Hardy. Might get this one signed too. I'll be seeing him this Saturday. Matt Jackson, Justin Roberts, and Anna Jay. Okay, so opening from the side, switching back and forth. Got Dark Order, Butcher, another Matt Hardy, a Trent, Phoenix. We got a Top Boat, Riho, Darby, and Pac. Okay. So far, just that number Santana. We got Private Party, Christopher Daniels, Kip Saban, Ricky Starks, Oh, this is a parallel of Colt Cabana, Anna Jay, Moxley, and Frankie Kazarian. All right. I'm gonna open these normal. Okay, maybe not. We got a Matt Hardy. Alex Honnold, did I get one earlier? I think so. Double that one. Paul Turner. Ooh, this is a parallel of Luchasaurus. Santana. Hold on, this. Hold on. Inner Circle. Nick Jackson. Jake Hager. Okay, so to the other deck. Shit. Okay. All right, MJF. Pento SLM, or Pentagon Jr., but Triple H owns the name. Riho. Oh, sweet. I always wanted to always see one of those. The Orange Cassidy Canvas, which is a nice texture to it. Oh, and the back has him drinking from the mimosas when he's faced Jericho. It's pretty funny. It says, if you guys can read the height, he doesn't know. Weight, whatever. Born before. And interesting fact, Orange Cassidy did a flip once, maybe. We got a Brody Lee. We got another Jurassic Park. Or Jurassic Express. Ricky Stark and Riho. Okay, so I think it's this one's supposed to be next. Okay. We got Trent, Paul Turner, Chucky T, another Chucky T gold. Oh, we got a Canvas Scorpio Sky, a Sting, Colt Cabana, and John Silver. Last pack. Big Swole, Sting, Orange Cassidy, Gold Matt Hardy, a parallel Sylve, Rose to Success, Cheetah, and Mark Quinn. So the big hit from this deck came from the Santana, numbered out of 100 out of 46. All right, guys. I'll probably break up the other box in the second video, but thanks for watching.